Hi everyone, I'm Lucy. Nice to see you again. Today, I'm going to explain this upgraded ASIC miner silencer to you. Obviously, it's a lot smaller now. Here's the main unit, followed by the power cable, the fan speed control knob, the main control board, the air outlet, and shockproof sponge pad. So, what other improvements does it have? Let's learn more in the following demonstrations. We'll use the Whatsminer M50 as an example. Additionally, we'll be using the fan duct shroud, fan simulators for miner and PSU, insulating tape, metal clip and aluminum foil tubing. Next, let's start by removing the air inlet and outlet fans, and replace them with the fan simulators. Then replace the PSU fan simulator. Fix the fan simulator so that it does not shake randomly after connecting the silencer later. Now, connect the network and power cables. Then, connect the miner and silencer like I demonstrated. Finally, connect the aluminum foil tube. After that, let's power it up. First, let's turn on the silencer. Then, we'll power up the miner. Set different wind speeds, according to the ambient temperature where the miners work, to keep the miners at a normal working temperature. As we can see, when it's on medium speed, the power consumption is around 194 watts. Continue adjusting to high speed, and the power consumption is only about 240 watts. Let's check the noise level, which is around 45 decibels. Okay, when we need to shut it down, we should first turn off the miner, and then the silencer. Well, that's all about its usage and improvement effects. Thank you all.